Childhood cancer kills thousands of children up to the age of 15 years old and is the leading cause of death within this age group. Many would suffer without the vital medical treatment they need. Alex's Lemonade Stand Foundation aims to bring people together to donate money for funding research and helping families with a sick child. The founder, Alex Scott, started the foundation when she was only 4 years old. She was once a normal kid who had a dog and a kitten, played soccer, and aimed to be a fashion designer when she grew up. Yet she accomplished something so much bigger than that. Alex lived in Connecticut when a tragic event occurred in her household. Before her first birthday, she was diagnosed with a cancer called neuroblastoma. A remarkable child, she was determined to regain strength. Despite the doctor's beliefs that she would never walk again, she was able to crawl at age 2. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. And this is exactly what Alex did. In 2000, her moving efforts to change the world began. She proclaimed, "When I get out of the hospital, I want to have a lemonade stand, to give money to the doctors." She wanted to help the kids at the hospital, and on her first stand, she raised $2,000 with her brother. Ever since, her story has spread, and many have worked for Alex's cause. Even though she did not live to see all the success her foundation achieved, she passed away at age 8, knowing that she had raised more than $1 million to help find a cure. In the 8 years of her life, she impacted more people than some would at 50. And even in her death, her foundation continues to change the lives of millions of families. Alex's Lemonade Stand Foundation not only aims to raise the money and awareness of childhood cancer causes, but it also encourages people to make a difference. They promote the acts of kindness by doing simple things. Supporters can donate, or even just hold a front yard lemonade stand. Additionally, they want to bring cancer families together to learn about the diseases, offer support, and unite children who are courageously battling these diseases. The foundation promotes team leadership and for students to come together and raise money for a good cause, thereby improving the lives of children and families everywhere. Not only does the foundation affect many people at the communal level, but it also has earned support at the corporate level. The Mike and Ike's brand supports Alex's cause on their candy boxes. Toys R Us also teamed up with the foundation in 2011 and have provided around $6 million to support families affected by cancer. Since then, the foundation has been able to spread hope to children all across the country, and the patient's own peers honor Alex, and as the Toys R Us Foundation says, stir support each year into their lemonade for 263,000 children worldwide. Alex's foundation has raised over $80 million to fund 450 childhood cancer research projects at 102 of the top hospitals in the nation. Primarily, they focus on developing resources to help support families of children receiving treatment. This foundation in particular observes the psychosocial and behavioral effects the children diagnosed endure. The funding for this research hopes to improve the children with, as the researchers call it, cancer outcomes. Additionally, one of the central things that the foundation focuses on is a travel project to support the families of children getting treatment. One boy the foundation helped is named Preston, and although he seems like a normal kid, he was diagnosed with neuroblastoma. He and his mother needed to travel to New York to get the advanced treatment that he needed to save his life. Alex's Lemonade Stand Foundation not only helped to pay the costs needed for traveling to New York, but as Preston's mom puts it, they helped relieve the stress of Preston's sickness. But this is just one story, one little boy. The foundation has helped thousands of kids just like Preston. People from all over the country supported the cause, and because of it, mothers can save their children. Edie is another child impacted by the foundation. She was a candidate for a trial drug that tested genes to treat cancer.
She doesn't have a care in the world.
When
I was 1, I had a big monster. But now I don't.
Edie was diagnosed with neuroblastoma. She was 6 months old. She went through several rounds of chemotherapy, several surgeries, and they started her on a trial drug, and she has been in remission ever since. They told us that their research had been funded by this great organization that was started by this little girl selling lemonade in her front yard.
Alex's Lemonade. Find child's cancer. 1 cup at a time. Woo!